Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Becoming a topper in 15 days can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here are some tips to help you achieve your goal. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals for each subject or topic you want to excel in. Create a study schedule. Plan your study time wisely, allocating more time to challenging subjects. Stick to your schedule rigorously. Prioritize topics. Identify high-weightage topics and focus on mastering them first. Use quality resources. Gather quality study materials, textbooks, online courses, and reference guides. Active learning. Engage in active learning techniques such as summarizing, teaching others, and solving problems. Practice regularly. Solve past papers, sample questions, and take practice tests to improve your problem-solving skills. Stay healthy. Maintain a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and exercise to keep your mind and body in peak condition. Stay positive, believe in yourself, and stay motivated. Positive thinking can have a significant impact on your performance. Seek help. Don't hesitate to ask teachers, tutors, or peers for clarification on difficult concepts. Minimize distractions. Create a distraction-free study environment to maximize your focus. Revise regularly. Review your notes and key concepts regularly to reinforce your understanding. Time management. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to manage your study time effectively. Track your progress. Keep a record of your performance to identify areas where you need improvement. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan, and don't procrastinate. Stay calm during the exam. On the day of the exam, stay calm, read questions carefully, and manage your time wisely. Remember, becoming a topper in a short period requires intense dedication and hard work. It's important to maintain a balance between studying and taking breaks to avoid burnout. Good luck! Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.